Hey guys, it's your girl Osia and I'm back with another video, but it is not super dope this one, Bafazi. I'm here with sad news, Bafazi. First of all, at home we just lost a family member. So Bafazi, ningenaphi ke nina kulo nto leyo? Remember this Saturday we are supposed to do our giveaway nge-8 zaka August. So we won't be able to do that Bafazi because obviously ngiswelekelwe like nje kuya le nale. So we're gonna postpone it to 21st. So kusho ukuthi giveaway yethu soyenza nge-21st, which will also give other people an opportunity to enter if they haven't entered. I won't close the giveaway until i-20. Nge-20 ngo-12 o'clock ebusuku, that's when I will close it, and then we will do our selection and end on the 21st, and then nca imali emntwini nge-21st Bafazi. My apologies, ngicela ningixolele Bafazi. These are our unforeseen circumstances. I had no control over anything. So yeah guys, I hope aningikwatelanga. However, into giveaway yona, it is still there. It's still gonna be there. It giveaway definitely on the 21st. Love you loads again, and thanks for your understanding, your usual understanding, of course. Love you loads again, Sana. With God's love never fail. Mwah. Bye.